Hi guys! So I really shouldn't be putting this on while I'm on the motorway, but it's 50 miles per hour, so it's fine. We are on our way to Liverpool. Kids are sleeping in the back. It's only like 6:36. I'm gonna turn that off because the next car. Yeah, it's 6:36, and we're on our way to Liverpool for Boxing Day for the sales, and we're gonna stay in a hotel in town. And yes, we're just having a little sing-along to Jason Derulo.
Go, sweetheart.
We had to stop because the kids are crying. Okay. Oh, she's coming. Oh. Good morning, guys. We are in Liverpool. Boxing Day sales. So this guy is pushing 2 pushchairs. So it's currently 10:10 and we just dropped our bags and stuff off at the car. And now we're headed to go and get a coffee. Because we is tired, okay? Yeah, we're gonna go meet up with the rest of the fam as well. Basically been to a few shops. We didn't go to loads. We just went to the Disney shop and Elisa got a little Anna. Well, a big Anna. Mum's here. Say hi, Mum. Elisa's still sleeping. And we are about to head to the car and then we're going to go and get something to eat in Chemo's, which is the best breakfast in Liverpool in my opinion. Well, the only breakfast I kind of know properly. Yeah. Halal anyway. Halal. Anyway, we need to go because Elisa wants to get out of the pushchair. I don't know what is wrong with these lights, but literally 2 cars are going at once. I am starving, guys. Look, it's just ridiculous. Anyone know where this is? Make the council change them. Look at this cool building. We're in Chemo's. Elisa's not feeling very well, are you? She feels very warm. Yeah. Oh, look at your face. It's so sad. There's Osman. He thinks he's a gangster with this toothpick. Full madamas, eggs, falafel, feta, and bread. And I completely missed the salad because I don't eat salad, I'm not even gonna lie. I just did something so stupid. I put petrol in the car on the way back to Birmingham and I left the bloody fuel cap off. Because my old car, you could just close it and bam, Bob's your uncle, it's all done. This one's got a screw thing on, you have to put the thing down, but obviously it wasn't closing because there was a thing there. So the fuel cap was hanging out the car for about half an hour. We just stopped and sorted it, so we're all good now. Felt like right plonker. Why are you going to slow? Come on, guys, seriously. Okay. No, we haven't. It's 60 miles per hour and people are doing 50. Like, come on, can you not read?
Man, you just got a clock.
Is that why they're all getting scared because someone got pulled over? Mate, it's 60 miles per hour, not 50. What are you doing with your lives? Come on, guys, come on. I was like, imagine if we put another road, like the same name as my road name, like that went somewhere else to a different city. And then we started driving, and then we were like, why are we going this way? Like, we didn't come this way before. And then I was like, check that we're going the right way. He was like, no, we're going to Derby. So now it's gone from being 48 minutes or 43 minutes to now
54.
It's 53 minutes. Now, well, it was an hour and 6. It was an hour and 6 minutes. It changed it to. So we were going through like the countryside and some nice. So we were going on a nice little drive actually.
Yeah,
I'm
it's
kind of
actually
enjoying
really
it.
nice. Same. And the kids are very asleep.
Yeah, don't jinx it. They'll probably wake up. In
Oh,
5
don't say
minutes.
that.
So we've got 53 minutes left to drive. So yeah,
Fine.
it's cool.
Okay.
Bye. In Birmingham, obviously, I'm at home, and I thought I'd show you what I got from the sales. I didn't actually get as much as I was planning to get, but Elisa was getting fed up, Issa woke up, and we just kind of wanted to get out of there, and we were starving. Like, Chemo's is a bit of a walk from the city centre, and we really couldn't be bothered to do that. Oh, do you want to show them what you bought? Elisa got this doll. Show. Look, and it's from, what's her name? Anna.
Yeah.
And she's so pretty. Look at her. And she's got Olaf. Do you want to go and sit on the floor and play with her?
Yeah.
Good girl. Yeah, so we got that from the Disney store, as well as this, which is for Elisa's birthday. I picked up some pyjamas from Primark. These cozy ones for Elisa. These ones were £2, but they've got little trousers. And I've got some of these frozen ones as well. These were £3, but they're in her new size. Lisa's crying. Come out.